So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are all doing great. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to order a product from the Atomy India site. I will show you the complete process with payment. So let's get into it. First of all, open any browser in your PC and then in the search bar type Atomy India, and here is the very first site. You have to click on Welcome to Atomy India. And now this will redirect you to the official site of Atomy India. So before ordering your product, you need to log in, of course. So you have to click on the login button here and enter your ID and password here. And enter your ID and password here. And click on the login button. So here you are logged in. You can see your name up here. So now to order the product, you have to click on the shopping mall button on the top. And here this will open the menu of all the products. You can see all products from Atomy India. So we will be ordering a toothpaste and the toothbrush. So to order that, you have to click on add to cart button, and here an pop-up will appear which will tell you that the item has been added to your cart. Click on OK button and do the same for the toothbrush. Click on add to cart and click on the OK button. Now both of these items are added in your cart. To open your cart, you have to scroll up, and here in the top right corner you will see the shopping cart button. You have to click on it and this will open your cart. To place the order, just click on the check boxes and click on order selected items. And now here you have to fill your information. This is the distributor information. So here you have to enter your number. And here is the delivery information. Here you have to enter the name of the recipient and the complete address of the recipient. If you are ordering it for yourself, then you have to enter your name and your address. But if you want the product to be delivered at some other address, you have to enter the name of the recipient and the address where you want the product to be delivered. So here we will enter the name of the recipient and the mobile number and the address. Now here you have to enter your PIN code. To do that, you have to click on the search PIN code button, and here you have to enter your PIN code and then select the city, and here will automatically appear the name of your city, district and your state. Now you have to click on the continue button, and now this page will show you all the information that you have filled and the subtotal of your payment. Now you have to click on the check out now button, and here this will ask for the payment options. You can use the credit or debit card. The wallet option provides you with the Airtel Money option. If you use it, you can also proceed with this. And if you want to complete the payment via net banking, then you can select your bank here. Almost every bank in the India is registered with this, but some banks are currently down. So just check if your bank is in the list, select it and continue with the net banking process. Or you can also complete the payment by the UPI ID via Google Pay, Phone Pay, BHIM app, Paytm, Amazon Pay or any other UPI ID. So for this payment we will be continuing with the card. Here we will enter our credit card number. And we will fill all the other information. And click on the proceed button. So now you will receive an OTP on the registered mobile number. You have to enter the OTP and click on the submit button. And now this will process your payment. So now your order will be placed successfully. So this was the complete process of placing an order from the Atomy India website. Hope I made it clear enough to understand. Thank you for watching.